Hello children, today we are going to learn prime and composite numbers. In this lesson, we are first going to learn the concept of factors and multiples, which will help us identify prime and composite numbers. And then we will be able to answer a few questions. So let's start. Factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Now, what does an exact divisor mean? An exact divisor means that the remainder is equal to 0. Let's take the number 4. We know that when 4 is divided by 1, 2, and 4, we get the remainder 0. So if we get the remainder 0, that means that it is an exact divisor. And if it is an exact divisor, it is a factor. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. You can also use multiplication to find the factors. We know that 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 1 is 4. So the factors are 1, 2, and 4. Now let's do a question. Write down all the factors of 6. Now we know that 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6, and 6 into 1 is 6. So what are the factors? The factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now let's look at a multiple. A multiple of a number is a number that is the product of a given number. Now, what is a product? Let me give you an example. We know that 2 multiplied by 3 gives us the product, which is 6. So if 6 is the product of 2 and 3, then 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Now let's take another example. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 12 is the product of 4 and 3. So that means that 12 is a multiple of 4 and 3. Now let's do a question. Write down the first 5 multiples of 4. We know that 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So what are the multiples? The multiples are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So the first 5 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Now let's start with prime numbers. A prime number is a number other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. So that means that prime numbers only have 2 factors, which are 1 and the number itself. Let's take an example. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5, which is 1 and the number itself, which is 5. So 5 is a prime number because it only has 2 factors. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are numbers having more than 2 factors. So let's take an example. We know that the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So 6 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Now let's do a question. Is 1 a prime or a composite number? The only factor of 1 is 1. So 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Because for it to be a prime number, it has to have 2 factors, and for it to be a composite number, it has to have more than 2 factors. Let's do another question. Is 7 a prime number? The only factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So yes, 7 is a prime number. Now this is our last and final question. Is 12 a prime number? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So no, 12 is not a prime number because for it to be a prime number, it has to have only 2 factors. But 12 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. This is all for this video. Hope you all understood prime and composite numbers. If you have any doubts, please post them in the comments below and we will answer it as soon as possible. Like and subscribe to Helping Little Gems for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.